Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will design a curved underline for stylish text using stroke path. Begin by typing your title using the text tool, switch to the pen tool and draw a clean curve below your text. Choose a brush with medium hardness for crisp lines. Adjust brush size to fit the style of your text. Right click on the path and select stroke path. Choose brush to apply the stroke instantly. Then duplicate the stroke to give it thicker appearance. Add gradient overlay for a premium look. Set blending into the overlay for a smooth color blend. Slightly blur the stroke for a modern soft effect. Combine multiple strokes for layer underline style. This method works great for banners